everyone, welcome back to my channel, Acrylic Painting with me, Julie E. I'm so glad you could be here. Today, we're going to be using some leftover paints. Don't know what colors yet. We'll see what we can find and see what we can come up with. Glad you could join me. Okay guys, here we go. I found some leftover black and just added plain old water to it. Thinned it down pretty good. And I also found a bunch of metallics. I had 3 cups of bronze. Also thinned that down with water. What the pouring medium is in these, I have no idea. It is either Elmer's school glue, 70% school glue, 30% water, and then mixed 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint, or it is MiX pouring medium, and that would have been mixed 7 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. So Lord knows what the pouring mediums are, but here we go. And then I have found some silver in there, and I thinned that down also. And I found 2 little cups of copper, and I thinned those down. And then I found 2 little cups of pearl. These are our regular colors, and I have a woohoo! These cups are so flimsy from sitting in that box so long. Okay, and what I have is a 12 by 12 edge canvas, gallery wrapped, all taped off, really nice. And I forgot to put push pins in it. And that's okay. I will get little cups. And I think we'll do a swipe. I think I want to do a swipe. So, okay, and since it's a swipe and it's going to take a little while, I will go ahead and put some music on for you, lay down my base coat, and probably put this in fast forward. So, I will see you on the other side. It dried beautifully. It is so gorgeous. I just love this piece. So, hope you liked it too. Till next time, loves and hugs y'all. Bye!